TimberSurf here with bit number 2. So for those of you that want to model drain pipes on your models when you're scratch building, it's quite easy to just stick some plastic strip or something, but just having a straight pipe doesn't really work. So what I do is something similar here. I really ought to watch this first before I do the voiceovers. So to replicate the little joins in straight drain pipes, what I do is get a piece of solid wire, not the stranded stuff, something like you get in telephone wire, and basically you just wrap it around the drain pipe twice. So 2 spins right round and have the 2 ends sticking out the back. You want to leave a little gap between the 2 pieces and then trim it after you've squished it nice and tight so that it's tight, and twist it, and just look at the video. There you go. You've got yourself a join in the drain pipe. I really should write a script for these things, shouldn't I? Yeah. So having trimmed it, you just keep repeating the process however many joints you want to have in the requisite length of drain pipe. Repeat as before, twice around, twist at the back, make sure it's nice and tight so that it hugs the back end side. And these things can move up and down, so you can place them after you've made them as to exactly where you want them. So again, trim to a reasonable length. It doesn't matter too much at this point. You can sort out the exact length later on. The video's too long. I'm faltering. Right, here's one I made earlier. Oh no, it's the same one I showed before. Basically, you just drill holes in a line vertically as to where you want to place your drain pipe. There's one. Straight line. You can use a ruler or something, put a little mark with a pencil if you're a bit unsure. Pin vise there. Mine's a twisty one so that it's really quick. Very effective. Well worth the $5.95 I paid for it just before Maplin died a death. The one thing I went in the shop and thought, oh, I haven't got one of them. I'll buy one of them. It's really good. So you place the joints in the holes and you can move them around and get it so that the drain pipe's the right length. I'm not quite so sure. Oh yeah, this is for applying the glue. This is another tip, is save all your pillboxes. They're great for mixing your paints in. I use acrylics and 2 different colours like black and white and make up thousands of grades of grey, and you can reuse them, wipe them out. Yeah, also useful for hanging onto your glue. I frequently put a bit of glue on my mat. As you can see, the state of it is terrible, and do it for that. But this is a much better idea, yeah, because once you're finished you can reuse it again, because of course the glue goes hard, or you can not use it again. But anyway, so drop of super glue in a disposable container or on a piece of paper. Use your cocktail stick to apply it to, oh, don't stick it on your finger, moron. Yeah, that's going to be a pain to get off later. And dab of glue on each one of the joiners and then shove them into the building. If you can get access to the back, you can put another dab around at the back, and having trimmed the drain pipe, you can also trim the wires at the back after the glue has set. So it doesn't really look terribly good at the moment, but I can assure you once it's painted up it will look very realistic and doesn't just look like a plastic kit where it's, thrown on a bit of straight pipe. You can see the joins. This is the Petite Properties Garage kit, which obviously doesn't come with any drain pipes, hence I had to add my own. And eventually it will be a workshop on my farm diorama. So I hope you like this bit. I'm hoping to do a lot more and on various subjects, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.